guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to be filming a tutorial over the brand new Carli Bybel and Anastasia palette. This is so exciting. I'm so proud of her. She is my favorite beauty guru, influencer, whatever you want to call her. I love her. I love watching her channel. Maybe it's because she's a crazy cat lady like I am, but it is what it is. So excited to get my hands on this. I was so sad because I still haven't been able to pick up and review her Il Maquillage collection. So hopefully maybe I'll be able to get it for Christmas if it's still in stock by that time. When it rolls around, I know it's a couple months away. So positive thinking. But if you guys want to hear my thoughts, see how everything performs as I use it, and see how I created this eye look, then just keep watching. So the other day I used the Sparkle Shimmer shade in the palette called Libra, and I really loved how that looked. It kind of reminded me of, I commented on one of Carli's pictures a couple weeks ago, I think it was, and asked her like what she was wearing on her eyes, and she said, oh, it's coming soon. And I feel like this was the shade that she was wearing on there, and I really loved it. But I also really think the OA and Jody is like super cute. Actually, I think it's just Jode because there's no IE. But I thought it was Jody. So I thought that was named after her mom. I don't know. But I really like how she like included her cats' names, her friends, her families, things like that. I think it's super cute. And then like the My Angels, because I do know she always says that. I guess I should swatch these two. These actually look really similar, which I haven't seen. Those are like really similar. Both beautiful shades, but I feel like my only, not really complaint, but critique would be that you could probably, like she probably could have just had one of these shades in the palette. Yeah, the one over here with like the different sparkle in it is the OA, and this one is Jody. I actually kind of like this one more. I just feel like I know it'll be more flattering on my skin tone. This one is the Jody, and that's the OA. It is a really gorgeous palette though, and I'm so glad I got my hands on this because I wasn't able to pick up the Il Maquillage collab that she did because I can't afford that right now. So I'm hoping it stays around for Christmas because anyone, my friends, family, wants to get me anything for Christmas and they're watching this, that is what I want, is that collection. Alright, so first up, I think I'm going to recreate the look I did yesterday. I do like how this is like a really neutral but like pops of color palette. I think this and the Jackie Aina palette are going to pair so nicely in my collection, so that makes me extremely happy. I'm going to go in first with the shade Chai, and I'm putting this in my crease, and I'm just going to blend it out. I know a lot of people are like not buying Carli's palette and even Jackie's palette because Anastasia has been releasing so many palettes at once lately, and like I don't know why, because they never used to be that brand that did that. That's always been like a ColourPop thing, but ColourPop is so affordable that I feel like it's not as crazy that they do it. Like it still is like a lot, but it's more accessible. When Anastasia palettes are like $40 and then like $60 palettes. Most people, like myself included, used to collect Anastasia palettes, but now I can't even do that because I can't drop $180 on 3 Norvina palettes, so I'm just not going to get any of them, honestly. So I just decided to get the Jackie Aina palette and this Carli palette, and you guys know I've been loving the Jackie Aina palette, and so far I've been loving this Carli Bybel palette. I think they're both literally my new top 2 palettes in my collection. I've been using that Jackie Aina palette like every day, and I've now been using this one ever since I got it, and I know I'm just going to keep going back and forth, mixing the two. I feel like they just pair so nicely. And anyone that's like sleeping on this too, and Jackie's, I feel like they're just like missing out. So next I'm going to go in to the shade Bybel. It's this really pretty like deep mauve. And I'm putting this in my crease as well, but like a little bit lower in the crease. I'm not taking it all the way up higher like I did with the previous shade Chai. And I'm just going to blend this out. Like this shade and Chai pair so nicely together in the crease. Really like it. But you guys know I really love like a mauve eye, so. And now I'm gonna go back in with Chai, that first brush, and just kind of blend. I like to go back in with the previous shade. It, like I said, it just helps to blend everything out. And I like having like a smoked out look, as you guys know. I just feel like it flatters my eyes the most. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with that taper brush and dip into Bowie. And put this on the outer lid and kind of into my crease. So just the outer V, outer lid. Just tapping it on and then gently blending. So, so pretty. And then I'm going to dip back into Bybel with that same brush again. And just kind of place it over Bowie. Make sure I don't lose that like purple. Like I said, just have to blend. I just feel like it looks so nice. Alright, next I'm just going to take a wet brush. This is the JH41. It's been my new go-to to like pack on shimmer. And I'm going in with the shade Libra up here. And I'm going to put this all over the lid. This is probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. But Moo also looks stunning. I really like Jody. And then my Angels, like, so pretty. And I'm just going to place this. Still got some fallout. I always do with Anastasia shimmers, but hopefully it will wipe away. I even tap off the excess before I put it on, but I do love their shimmer formula, so I just deal with it. I honestly wish that this palette and Jackie Aina's could just be permanent, because I feel like these are both the prettiest palettes Anastasia has like ever came out with, in my humble opinion. I love Jackie's jewel tones, and I like how this one is super like everyday and wearable, but like it has like some color in it. Like this is like a purpley mauve toned down look, which I appreciate. And a lot of people I also saw said this was really boring, which also doesn't make sense to me because I feel like it's just so good. It's so wearable. It's true to Carli. Obviously she's not going to come out with something that's like super crazy because that's not her. It's not her brand. She always does like super stunning, true to her looks, which I really appreciate. And it's like people say they want crazy colors, but half the time they don't wear them. And it's like, I can't wear crazy colors every day. I like to, but I can't. Also right now, I'm just putting on the same colors from the crease on my waterline, my bottom. I can't think of words today, sorry. Placing them down here and just kind of smudging it, smoking it out. I'm going to do some brown liner on my lower lash line. Yesterday I got this from Influencer and Kaja Beauty. It was this wing eyeliner stamp, and then also came with the wing eyeliner pen, and I really like these. It makes like a really small wing, and I did it uneven, but if you do it right, I think it's really nice, and it does like a baby wing, and you can always make it bigger, but it gives you the right like shape, which is really helpful for me. It's kind of difficult because, as you guys know, this one I have like a scar on and it's more hooded, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. If you guys want to see this sometime, I can do like a review first impressions because I am wearing a new foundation today as well and new primer. So, alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup, put on my favorite pair of lashes, did the winged liner. But yeah, so I will have the rest of my face products linked down below. Trying out a new foundation and primer today, and I will probably be including these products in an upcoming video if you guys want to see that. But yeah, overall, I think this palette is really cute. The packaging is adorable. I think it really is like Carli's aesthetic. It's true to her. So far, I really like the shades that I have used. This and the Jackie Aina palette, I think, are like probably honestly my top 2 palettes of the year and in my collection now. And I have some really, like, I mean, I have a lot of palettes in my collection. So that is it for this tutorial. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. And if you do decide to purchase anything, please go through my links. I do make a small commission. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but it does help me out. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.